When you double click on a material icon, you can preview your material here. If you change all of this, you can change the preview of your material here. I want to explain this part. If you right click, you can access to all of the settings that this window has. The animate. If your texture has an animate, it shows you. It's very important. Right click, activate animate. For this case, I just close the color. I just explain them later. Don't worry about that. Going to the noise. Not this noise. Clear that noise. Some noise that for example, fire. As you can see, this some of the texture has an animation that if you want to see it, preview it, you can see it there. Nice. You can see it better here. You can turn it animation on or off here. If you right click, you can open window in a new window to make it bigger and better seeing that if you want. Nice. With a right click on it, you can rotate it and automatically update it for you. And here also you can right click to rotate. This is changing the size, default, small, medium, large, huge. The huge take time to render, but you can see it here. It's nice. And you can change this shape to the cube if you want. With the right click, you can see the preview, or rounded cube, or any of these shapes. For example, I think for double torus, we use it in a, for example, the glass material to better see that. You can see a different type of the, or for gem, yeah, it's nice for gem, interesting. Or this object, it's very interesting. I make it to the default. Can clear that. So it's a preview. I make it a large, not very huge, maybe huge. It's a little render preview of your texture. Maybe it's not too powerful system. In some cases, maybe it's shut down your system. Be careful about that. If you rotate it, you can reset your rotation here. It has in project settings. It's very important the preview size when you use glass and we have absorption system or anything that is relative to the size. It's very important. Color, light absorption, refraction. It's very important. The real world with size. That's I'll explain it later. And if you have animation, you have a start from 0. The environment color, for example, I give a red, green color, make the strings higher, and hit OK, and you can see it's an environment light that you can change it if you want, or make it the white. Okay, you can see it's the white. You can brighten your environment if you want. Make the 0. And if you want, you can color picker use, and it's on default. Okay, this is just the preview. If you change all of the settings, it's very interesting and important that you can see this here. After that, let's talk about the color picker of Cinema 4D that you can use it everywhere. You have a different color picker here that you can use it, that I explain it now.